Good morning, Clay.Thompson here at Guaranty RV Center in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you a very fresh trade-in at the motorized lot that just came in for the fifth wheel lot here at Guaranty RV Center. This is a 2016 Arctic Fox made by Northwood Manufacturing in La Grande, Oregon. This is the 295T. This unit appears to have been purchased here at Guaranty brand new, traded back in here at Guaranty RV Center for a motorhome. Come on inside, let me show you. This is the rear entry, rear living model. The gentleman had traded out, took out one of the swivel reclining chairs, got an ottoman for the couch area and or the chair here, single person. So kind of made it his way. That can be changed out if don't like that, but it is a pre-owned, so this is how we got it, and if we need to make some changes we can. But Northwood Manufacturing, very good cold weather all season product. Hide-a-bed couch, freestanding table and chair with extension, storage underneath the chairs. Like I said, dual pane windows, the entertainment system, large TV, Vizio, flat screen, electric fireplace with heater. Very nice floor plan. These guys use plywood, not particle wood, in their floor and roof structure. They are probably the only manufacturer that I'm aware of in today's world that build their own frames in-house for their product, not buying a frame elsewhere and putting it together. So that's a bonus. Very independently owned company. Nice big residential size microwave convection combo. As you can see, looks like it was hardly ever used, if it was used. Nice big stove and oven. Very, very clean. This just came in this weekend, so we have not even had a chance to clean it or do anything. Has all the books. Solid surface countertops with the nice big double stainless steel sink. Nice accessible cabinetry in the kitchen. Storage everywhere. Big 10 cubic foot refrigerator. And if you look, you can get a good picture. You know, you can just tell that this was very, very, very lightly used. It didn't even hardly scratch the plastics on the refrigerator. The shelvings hasn't been scratched on the shelves in the fridge. Just signs of very little use. Kind of like looking at a used car where the pedals aren't wore. Nice deep pantry area on both top and bottom. A separation door here to separate. Got the remote for the fantastic fan in the ceiling. We can set that at our chair or couch area, be able to control that. We walk up into the bathroom, through the bathroom area. Nice solid handrail, one-piece shower with skylight. Commode area here, porcelain toilet. Nice sink and vanity area there with fantastic fan in the bathroom as well. Very, very clean. I'm afraid if I clean it, I'll make it dirty. There is a separation of another pocket door here for the bedroom, which makes the bathroom a nice side-to-side private bathroom if that's the way we want it. Nice big king bed with storage underneath. Individual windows, lights, plug-ins, 110 and 12 volts on both sides of the bed. Again with another fantastic fan in the bedroom, with remote sitting by the person in the bed there. Skylight with shade. All LED lights throughout. Nice 4-drawer dresser area here. Pre-wired for a bedroom TV, 12 volt and or 110. This unit has a central vac system, so it's got all the attachments and tools and vacuum bags, as well as this being prepped for washer and dryer if we want to make this a washer and dryer area. Cabinets above, nice big closet. Throughout, place for the shoes, Light above. This is a 2016, so it has all the latest, or a lot of the latest stuff that you would typically find on a new one, but it has a 6-point auto leveling system. Nice big wide door. It's got the friction hinge door, so the wind doesn't catch the door and pull it out of your hand. The nice large assist handle. Big Carefree awning. It's only out about halfway. It goes out another distance out from where it's at now. Exterior patio speakers. Goodyear tires. You don't have to go change the tires out now that you bought a fifth wheel. It's got good tires on it from the factory. They ribbed their walls here, so it makes this side panel a lot more solid instead of just being a flat wall like you see on most. One-piece end cap. On the back end, ladder for roof access to the roof. Nice big slide. And on an Arctic Fox, any Arctic Fox, the sidewalls of the slides are basically the same structure as the sidewall of the trailer. So no flex. It's a true all-season slide out all four sides of the wall, as well as the coach itself. They call it Northwood. That's the Northwood exclusive. This has got a 50 amp service, so you could add a second AC if you want to. It also has, that you're not going to find on most coaches of this size, but it has a electric cord rail. So on these cold mornings that we have today in the low 30s, late 20s, that's a 50 amp cord. Try to wrestle one of those when it's laying outside in the cold. All we do now on this one is push the button. Large gas and electric hot water heater. Big huge basement. Battery disconnect area here. Your docking station for all your hookups separated from the basement, so if we develop a leak from our hose connection here, it doesn't get the basement wet, doesn't get our carpet wet, doesn't turn to mold, doesn't start smelling, doesn't start rotting floors. Auto leveling system here. Metal backers for the slam latches. It's just all the absolute Northwood stuff that they do. You know, they're a super good product, and I was anxious to do the video on this one because finding a used Arctic Fox is very, very rare, and to find a used one at the right price, it's been very well taken care of. Again, that adds to the hard sense of looking. Here it is. This is the one if you're looking for something under 35 feet or right at that mark, end-to-end overall length, all season, king bed, washer and dryer hookup, auto leveling system, all that's right here. One-piece end cap, more ride pin box, individual lighting for when we're docking up, lighting everything up here. Ice is melting away today, so here it is. Diamond plate here for rock protection from our pickup, keeping the splash up, keeping it nice and clean. Very large, 2 10-gallon tanks. The other side of the basement is pass through. Very, very clean. Like I said, we have not cleaned it up yet, but this should clean up and look very close to a brand new one. 19s are out on the lot now, so this is technically a 3-year-old fifth wheel, but conditions of a new one. More outside access here. Even keep their damp right in here to keep the moisture out of the trailer. Access your central vac changeout area there. A little more storage is nice. Again, that's kind of a quick video on this Arctic Fox, but don't forget, ask for Clay.Thompson, come in and see me, or call me direct at 541-979-1770 and see if we still have it before you make your trip. Thank you and have a great day.